My people, my people, my people. Our next guest decided to create a fun and exciting subscription learning box that will engage the entire family. Joining us this morning is Spark Education Limited founder, Brittany Singh Williams. Welcome.
Thank you for having me. I'm so excited to be here.
I'm excited to see you. Let's not pretend that we're strangers.
Yes.
All right? Let's not pretend that my daughter doesn't have an activity box. She does, and thank you for her box.
Yes.
It has really helped in her development. I enjoyed my summer with your box. But let's tell the rest of the viewers about this great activity box by Spark.
Yes, so this is an activity box. There are actually two here today. I do them for babies, so 12 months to, well, I say 18 months, but as young as 12 can do it, to 2 years old. That would be that box over there. And then we have our preschool box, which is for 2 years old to 4 years old.
Okay, let's start with the babies, the 12 months to 24 months.
Yeah, sure.
What do you offer?
So for the babies, it's all about sensory and developing their fine motor skills, gross motor skills. So there's a lot of touchy-feely things. I actually brought some Jello here that I already prepared and put toys in there because, you know, they like to feel and understand different textures. There are lots of things like I use little pipe cleaners and they can push things in there and floaty device. And lots of things that they can touch and understand the world. So this one is actually all about the color red and circles. So this was our September box.
That's your September box. It also comes with
detailed instructions.
Detailed instructions.
Even instructions on what to say. So sentences that you can use to keep your children engaged.
Let's go through some of those sentences.
Okay, so you can say, you know, great job. I love that you're touching the wall. So you're explaining to them what they're doing. So I actually have a sticky paper in there that you can put on the wall. So walking them through the process and explaining everything. Because remember, at this age, they're also learning language. So it's very important to be very clear.
Not only that, you have cards which gives them, which helps them to become bilingual.
Yes, so each one has, you know, the word in English and in Spanish with a picture as well.
Yes, okay.
And that's for both boxes.
You know, I came home one day and I was doing the activity box with my daughter, and you designed a box for Zipporah, and I'm telling you people, it had like the ice cream, so she was making ice cream cones with her friend, and the next day I wasn't home and her auntie was home with her and she said, "Mommy, I'm fishing." So I'm like, what is this container full of water and fish, these magnet fish? And she's like, "Mommy, Zippy, fishing? Tell me about this great activity here. Tell me about this one.
So this one this is from our toddler box, from this one. And it's really about helping them to, well, have patience and just to learn something new and learn how to process what's going on. So this one was all about summer fun. So as you can see, we have the color sorting. This is actually meant to look like a beach ball, you know, and it's all about the summer. So the cards in this box also had, you know, the beach, sand, fish, flotation device, and everything in there was all about fishing and creating an aquarium at home and walking your child through there are different fish that live under the sea and things like that. So everything is really set up to engage them on about different themes specifically. Every month is a different theme.
Yes. So you are igniting future leaders with your Spark boxes, and more about the toddler box now. I want to go through what you offer. So it says, "Dear so-and-so, the Spark activity box is a uniquely created activity box developed to ignite John Brown's spark for learning and creativity." You're an educator.
Yes, I am. I'm actually an early childhood educator, but I'm just passionate about helping all young people prepare for the future. So I actually have programs for children all the way up to 12 years old.
So these boxes are customized?
Okay, so these for the babies are the subscription one, and then I have customized boxes for children 5 to 12. So even if you have children doing PEP and they need help with social studies, but they learn a little differently, I can curate a box for you and have it sent over.
That's totally cool.
Yeah, so I can actually test your child and do something comprehensive for them.
Oh, lovely. Now, what does it cost us for this? Oh, sorry, I gotta tell you all. Brittany, You also offer us a song, a playlist that the children can listen to.
There is a playlist associated with every box based off of the theme for the month. So you can listen to it and engage with them, have them sing and such. So that also helps them, especially if you have an auditory learner. Like my little one, he's auditory, and actually this is what inspired me to do it, because I'm at home with him, and then sometimes I'm leaving and gone to work, and I'm like, I want him to still be doing things. So I started creating things for his nanny to do, and I'm like, other mummies will want to do this as well, you know, as well as on the weekends. We don't want them sitting down with the iPad all day long. So there are lots of activities that I've just made very easy. You don't have to buy anything. I mean, even the Jello that I made is already in the box.
So what am I to do with all this Jello, Brittany? Seriously, what does this do? Well, first we can talk about the color red, but then what else now? We just get messy?
Okay, so you can actually, get messy, because that's all kids want to do, get messy. And dig and all their little toys. The toys are also included in the box, so you just put them in, make them the night before, and get messy. I also include a little sponge to teach them to clean up their toys after, because I'm love Montessori and daily life activities, so that's already in there to help them. The color red sponge.
Yes. What's red in Espanol again?
Yes.
What's
Rojo?
red? Rojo?
Yes.
So this is so much fun. So let me ask you now, how do we purchase a box? How do moms, nannies, daddies,
aunties, uncles, grandma,
babysitters, grandma, grandpa, how do we purchase a box for our children?
You can go onto the website at www.spark-education.com and you buy them based on PayPal, or you can request an invoice to do direct deposit, because some people don't like to do PayPal. So those are the options. You can also call at 422-9566 and just order through me.
Brittany, congratulations.
Thank you so much.
It's great when we meet innovative educators who understand that every child has a different learning style, and you have been able to bring a solution to our homes and helping to ignite the future leaders.
Because we have to start early.
You have to start early. Everything, right?
Everything.
Tell them about early, about what we need to do as we close for our children.
You need to start. The first 1,000 days are critical, as the Early Childhood Commission will always tell people. So from the baby born, you need to be engaging in sensory activities, and here they are, easy for you to do.
And the baby forget messy.
Get messy,
have fun.
get dirty,
all right.
Put them outside.
Yes, I tell you. Thank you so much, Brittany. Can you be my daughter's godmother? Brittany Singh Williams, founder of Spark Education Limited. Follow her immediately on Instagram at Spark Education JA.